Ever get that annoying feeling? Let's talk hiccups. So, what are hiccups? It's basically an involuntary spasm of your diaphragm, the muscle just below your lungs. When it spasms, your vocal cords quickly close, making that classic hic sound. What causes them? Often, it's simple things like eating or drinking too fast, carbonated drinks, overeating, sudden excitement, or even stress. Your diaphragm gets a little irritated. How do you stop them? Try these common tricks. Hold your breath for 10 seconds. Drink a glass of water quickly. Some even say a small scare can reset your system. Or simply swallow several times. Most hiccups are harmless and disappear on their own.